परमात्म समारंभम ऋषिगण मध्यमम सद्गुरु पर्यंतम वंदे गुरु परंपरम। आदेश जय महाकाल। The last secret of Ayurveda is marma treatment. The major treatment of Siddha is science of Varmam. Ancient medical martial arts is Marmakala or Varmakalai. These all are belongs to one and only the great science, which is nothing but science of Varmam. This Marma treatment for all type of ailments, mostly in neuro, ortho, spine related and sports injuries and some of long run diseases also. So many people thinking Marma treatment belongs to Chinese acupuncture. But Chinese acupuncture derived from the Marma science or Varmakalai. Acupuncture or acupressure, these treatments are very less than the science of Marma. In Marma treatment is very larger treatment session. This is one of the traditional medicinal treatment method in our body made from Panchabhutas. Inside of our body, channels ways are there, which is called as nadis. In these nadis, our life force travel. Some joints of nadis, life force pressure is in very more. For that point's base in Marma traditional treatment is going. Through inways of channels, Marma treatment focus on that nadis along with bone, joints, ligaments, tendons, nerves and muscles. In Marma treatment, 70% is external treatment, 30% is internal treatment, which is means orally medication. Some major secrets of science of Varmam. Nakku Varmam and Maitanda Kalam. Nakku Varmam, Tantra Varmam, Neelalu Kuttu Varmam, etc. In our life force or Prana Shakti, which is nothing but Sivashakti Tattva. This Sivashakti Tattva is the main base of Varmakalai. Mainly Panchabhutas, 72,000 nadis, life force and Varma points are etc. The oldest martial arts mainly in two. One is Kalarippayattu, second one is Janjakala. Both martial arts base belongs to Marma science. This is useful to self-defense and treat the health elements also. That's why we are running treatments in name of Vaidyasala and traditional occult arts courses in name of Gurukula.